हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करेंगे मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन। सो स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्यूरिन फाउंड द बोथ डीएनए एंड आरएनए, एडेनिन एंड ग्यूमिन। द कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग चैट्स ऑन द सेंटर डॉगमाइड्स। ये क्या है? ये है रेप्लिकेशन, P है रेप्लिकेशन, Q है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, mRNA है ट्रांसलेशन एंड S है प्रोटीन। which is only enzyme that the capability to the catalyze initiation, elongation and termination in the process of transcription in the eukaryote is DNA depends RNA polymers। नाउ वही क्वेश्चन फिर से रिपीट हो गया है। ट्रांसलेशन ए क्या है? ट्रांसलेशन बी है रेप्लिकेशन, सी है जेम्स वॉट्स, यहाँ पे साइंटिस्ट का नेम दिया हुआ है। एसोसिएशन ऑफ histone 1 with a nucleosome including that is the DNA is conducted in a chromatin fibrous. If the adenine make the 30% of the DNA molecule, what would be the percent thymine, guanine and cytosines? It's T30, G20, C30. The experiment proved the semi-conservation replication DNA first show in the bacterium. The final proof of DNA genetic material come the experiment of Hirsch and Charles. If the distance between the conserve the base pair 0.34 nanometer and the total number of base pair of DNA double helical in a type of mammalian cell 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 base pair, then the length of DNA approximately is 2.2 meter. Match the column. RNA polymerase I, rRNA. RNA polymerase second, hnRNA. RNA polymerase third, tRNA. Which of the following RNA should be the most abundant in animal? rRNA. The complete ribosome attached to the single strand of RNA is polysome. Which of the following set of option is used in the translation? mRNA, tRNA, rRNA. Correct direction 5 to 3 and 3 to 5. Which of the following type of RNA act as adapter molecular tRNA? Uridine present only is nucleoside. During DNA replication, allows fermentation used in the elongation. The lagging stands away from the replication flock. Under which of the following condition there will be no changing in the regarding the female from the following mRNA? Detect of GGU from the 7th at 9th position. The equivalent of structure gene is histone. Thank you so much watching my video. Like and subscribe.